back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have another non-phone work from home job lead for you, but this one is a little bit different. It is not the normal data entry. The links, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below. But if you have great grammar and editing skills, the company Axos is looking for a real estate editor. Now, this is remote. I'm pretty sure this is for the United States only. But they are hiring an editor to oversee their residential and commercial real estate and development content at scale for their local and national audiences. Now, they do produce a local newsletter, and so they are looking for someone that will be responsible for launching the new weekend real estate content on the local newsletter audiences, and also collaborating with their business team and national real estate coverage team as well. You'll work with their real estate reporters to edit and collaborate across the teams to deliver timely coverage. So it's basically just editing the content that their journalists have put together. They're looking for someone, of course, who has strong editing and writing skills, someone who has at least 3 years experience in editing and at least 2 years experience covering some kind of real estate, someone who understands the real estate industry, someone who has the ability to set and meet deadlines, and someone who has a proven record for overseeing high quality real estate coverage. Now, if you do have experience in editing and real estate, they are paying anywhere from $60,000 all the way up to $120,000 for this position. And they also offer benefits including health insurance. They pay 100% for their individuals, and then they pay 75% of the premiums for your family. So they almost pay for all of your health insurance, and they also offer 401k and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I always read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.